In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Exness Real account in mobile. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Accounts tab at the bottom left, and then at the top right, you can see there's like a plus button. Tap on that plus button, and from here, you first want to select which type of account you want. You have Standard, Standard Send, you have Pro, and then you have Raw Spread and Zero as well. So select the one you want and the one you prefer. I'm just going to go with the Standard right now, and then tap on Continue at the bottom. Now, from here up top, make sure it says Real, so it not demo but real. If real is selected, then you're good to go, and then you have to select your currency. I'm just gonna leave it as USD, but of course there's a bunch of different ones you can choose from. Then you have the option to set your max leverage. I'm going to lower this a bit. There we go. Yes. Okay. And then you have the platform, which basically allows you to select which platform you want to use. You have MT5 or MT4. Select the one you prefer. I'm gonna leave it as it is. If you want to give your account a nickname, you can do that as well by tapping on that. Give it a nickname, tap on Save Changes at the bottom, and you're good to go. After that, press Continue at the bottom. It's going to ask you to actually create a password you will use to log into MetaTrader. So I'm just going to go and paste it in here because I created one earlier, and make sure it has all the green check marks. Otherwise, you won't be able to continue. Now, make sure you save it because, as you can see, it says it won't be sent to you to your email because of security reasons. So make sure you know your email because, of course, you'll need it to sign into your account. Now, after that, press Create Account at the bottom, and your real account is going to get created and automatically selected over here. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.